Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Monday, also known as Soup Day. I'll get that in a minute. I'm wearing one of my favorite t-shirts. It's chef, but in the periodic table. Wow, I learned that in middle school. That says chef. Yeah, it's one of my favorites. I don't wear it that often, but I do. Okay, last night, Robin and I tag teamed. I did 2 dishes. She did 1. She did the creamy corn casserole, which is one of our absolute favorites. Yeah, yum. We have leftovers. I did the slow roasted Asian beef short ribs. The house smelled, oh, yeah. The combination of the ingredients, the Chinese 5-spice, the soy sauce, and on and on and on. It just, yeah, they just fell right off the bone. And I also did a chestnut mushroom rice. If you remember, the mushrooms came from my buddy up in Auburn. His name is Corey. He has a wonderful mushroom company. I got those at the Yuba City Certified Farmers Market. They were yummy. Thank you, Corey. And again, a big shout out to Mike at the Bel Air Meat Department for hand-picking the short ribs for Robin and I. Yes, he picked out 2 packages for us. One went in the freezer, and one we ate last night. And there are leftovers of everything so I'm going to have a yummy lunch. So, back to the soup. Today is taco soup. Yes, let's get to it. All I need is a Dutch oven, and I need to clean my stove. All right, I'm using elk hamburger. There's water involved. It's invisible right now. Some taco seasoning, obviously. Some garlic, some red onion. Not that whole onion. Use about half of that. That's a big onion. 2 cans of diced tomatoes. 2 small cans. One is a can of hot tomato sauce that I bought several months ago, and I've been looking for a way to use it. And just a regular small can, 7.5 ounce of regular tomato sauce. There's corn, kidney beans, and it's got a plethora of toppings. We've got pico, 3 cheese Mexican blend, sour cream guacamole, and you can crush up some beautiful corn chips. That's Soup Monday. So on this Monday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.